In today's video, I introduce BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers for Tesla Model X.
Proper Tesla Model X wheel spacers can always fit your SUV without hurting ride quality. Good quality wheel spacers and correct fitment are the highest priority to ensure driving safety.
The natural wheel studs of BONOSS forged wheel spacers are made of forged SAM 440 alloy steel, which features good ductility and high-temperature stress-resistant structural stability with few harmful elements and fewer surface defects. They have achieved the ISO standard grade 12.9, which has higher strength than stock one. The natural lock nuts applied 40 chrome material, which adheres to the ISO standard grade 10. Each of the natural studs and lock nuts has BONOSS engraved. They all made by BONOSS on factory. The quality is guaranteed. The hard anodizing process on the surface of the spacers brings better corrosion resistance and prevents rusting.
When shopping for wheel spacers, the higher the precision, the better the surface quality, and the better the Tesla Model X wheel spacers can fit on the vehicle hub. There is less chance of vibration or wobbling. BONOSS Tesla wheel spacers' high precision makes the spacers fit the hub better, flush to the fender. This is helpful in avoiding high-speed wheel vibration.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get a BONOSS Tesla Model X wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.